get it. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is the first time you're here, I'm Tara, a family nurse practitioner who loves sharing easy to make recipes that are nutritious but also delicious. If that sounds good to you, I would love for you to be a part of this YouTube community simply by tapping that red subscribe button below, and make sure that you click the bell. That way you never miss a delicious recipe. You guys have been asking for more air fryer recipes. I know I use mine almost every day. How often do you use your air fryer? I would love to know in the comments below. We're gonna make a halibut inside of our air fryer. Halibut, can you make fish inside of the air fryer? You be the judge of that. Just simply follow along with this easy recipe. I'm telling you guys, I am a tough critic when it comes to fish. It needs to be perfect. Flaky, not overdone, and also not underdone. This recipe is so delicious. We're gonna make a glaze. We're gonna put on top of the fish and then put it in the air fryer. It is so good. And then we're gonna make a mango pineapple salsa we're gonna top this fish with. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna think you're at a 5-star restaurant when you are eating this dish. You guys have also asked that I include a recipe card like I have in previous videos, so make sure you stay all the way through the end. That way you could take a screenshot for easy reference. If you guys are excited for air fryer recipes, smash that thumbs up button, grab your air fryer, and let's make this delicious halibut. This salsa is so worth it. I'm gonna use a shallot and some garlic, a jalapeno pepper, some fresh tomatoes. I have 2 different types here. You could also use a part of a red onion or even a yellow onion in here. I like shallots because they're a little bit milder than a regular onion, but you use whatever you like, and I'm chopping it up very finely. And with the jalapeno pepper, this is gonna add a little bit of spice, but it is not too spicy. I am removing the seeds, and just like the shallots, I'm chopping this up into very small pieces. Add it on in there. I'm using cherry tomatoes as well as a bigger, what is this, a beefsteak or a tomato on the vine. Use whatever kind of tomatoes that you have. You could even use canned tomatoes, except I love fresh tomatoes. And I love to use my garlic press here so that the garlic is very, very finely minced. Roll your lime on the counter. It makes it so much juicier. And I'm zesting the lime straight into the bowl. And then we are gonna juice the lime into the bowl. The lime gives this salsa such delicious flavor. So I did not have any fresh mangoes. They were not ripe at my supermarket. So I defrosted some frozen mangoes simply on the counter, chopped it up. And for the pineapple, I did have a can of pineapple. Alternatively, use fresh. I didn't have any, or even frozen, and thaw it out, add everything in. Accidentally at my supermarket, I grabbed parsley instead of cilantro, so that's what I'm using here. Definitely use cilantro if you have it. I love using coconut nectar. I love the rich sweetness it provides. Alternatively, just use simple sugar. A little bit of salt and pepper, mix everything together. Then we're gonna cover this and place it inside of the refrigerator to let all of those flavors marinate together. Now let's make this delicious glaze. So I'm starting off with some soy sauce. This is low sodium soy sauce. Then we're gonna add a little bit of Shaoxing cooking wine. Alternatively, use mirin, as well as some of that coconut nectar. Use regular sugar if that's all you have. And a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, and I'm gonna just whisk this all up. We definitely did not need salt because of the soy sauce. Set this aside. Now I'm gonna make my rice in my Instant Pot. I'm drinking this delicious dry red. I love making rice inside of my Instant Pot because it's so easy. I will leave a recipe video linked below where I show you how to make all kinds of rice in case you were wondering. If you notice, I'm rinsing my rice straight inside of the liner. I'm gonna dump out that water, add some fresh water. I love rinsing my rice. Do you rinse your rice or not rinse your rice? Let me know in the comments below. Then we're gonna grab our lid. Make sure that that silicone ring is on. Make sure it's on, guys, or it will not come to pressure. Close the lid, set it to high pressure for 4 minutes. Now let's get this fish going. So I'm spraying my basket with some of this avocado oil spray that I have, and I like to really rub it in there. I get all of my fish from the butcher box. If you've never tried the butcher box, I will leave a link below so you can save money off the first time you order. There's no commitment to buy. Add a little bit of that glaze straight on top, stick it in the air fryer for about 5 minutes, remove it. I'm gonna add another layer of the glaze. I love this glaze. Stick it back inside of the air fryer for a couple of minutes. Now we're gonna flip the fish over. I haven't tried not flipping it, so I just simply flip it over and put some glaze on the other side. Pop it back in there for another few minutes. And now we're gonna check the temperature of the fish. Make sure that it is at least 145, 150 degrees, whatever temperature that you like. I like to add one more layer of glaze to really ramp up the flavor, but only do it for about a minute in the air fryer. After the Instant Pot has finished cooking and you've allowed the natural release of at least 10 minutes, pop that rice out, add it to a plate. Grab that delicious salsa from the fridge, put it right on top of that halibut. Look at how flaky and perfect this fish is. I'm telling you guys, you have got to try this recipe. Question of the day, have you made fish inside of your air fryer yet? If you have, I would love to know what kind of fish you cooked and how it turned out in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's really easy and delicious halibut recipe. If you have an idea for a future episode, let me know what you would like to see in the comments below. I put together a playlist of some of my favorite quick and easy air fryer recipes I'm going to leave right here on the screen if you'd like to check those out. YouTube is going to leave a video they think you want to watch right here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.